Ew. Excuse the mess, but look what came in today. So light too. Suede and leather. Sparkle seats. The reason I went with these ones was because they look like I couldn't find any decent seats from anyone for E34, and these ones look pretty much OEM, so that's why I went with them. Plus suede and leather, can't go wrong with that, and brand new. Can't wait to put them in. I still need to order the brackets though, but I'll soon. Okay. Alright, today I'm going to pick and pull with a couple friends. We are hopefully going to get some new black interior pieces for the 34. Right now it's a blue. Can't really tell with this lighting. It's blue. Gross. The original seats were blue. Everything, pretty much, except for the roof liner, whatever, was blue. Hopefully that changes in a couple of days. So stay tuned. Oh, but first we're gonna go get some breakfast for MJ. She's at work. MJ's lunch secured. Spelled my name wrong. Kelby. Never heard. That's a new one. Never seen that one before.
You ain't never been around unless you needed something. I take a picture, cross it out, I didn't see it coming. I take a pill and wash it down just so that you can love me. Yeah. And you ain't never been around unless you needed something. I take a picture, cross it out, I didn't see it coming. I take a pill and wash it down just so that you can love me. I watch the blood as it comes out.
We head to pick and pull with Aunt to me. This thing here. Pretty clean interior, and not really. They moved everything around. I don't know where the E34 is. What I ended up getting from Pick and Pull, some mats for the back, this back seat, better condition than mine, and this back panel behind the back seats, and tail lights, and seatbelt panel. And yeah, came out to like one something. Not bad. Alright, here's the before. Raggedy ass seats, bruh. I think the freaking bag from earlier. Oh, sheesh.
Black is gonna look so nice.
I don't think the fucking mats are gonna fit. Got the seats in. Looks pretty good. Oh, and this back dash thingy. I don't know what it's called. I'll get better shots of it in the daylight tomorrow. But it looks pretty good. Not bad.
You see the flashlight?
This is what we're doing currently. The last muffler delete. That shit's a beard! It's like after many minutes, finally fucking got this shit fat.
Hey, bro, you gotta pick it up and take a picture with it now.
Hold it up like fucking Travis Scott.
Oh, that shit.
Shake that.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you know what that means.
I love to see it gushing. You ain't never been around unless you needed something. I take a picture, cross it out, I didn't see it coming. I take a pill and wash it down just so that you can love me. I watch the blood as it comes out, I love to see it gushing. The only time you fall in love is just with the way I'm good at counting money. Turn around when now I gotta see you pounding for me. Please don't ask me what's wrong, don't wanna talk about it. I don't tell you about the drugs, cause you gon' talk me out it. I feel my battery drain, I sense a power outage. And when I feel something wrong, I talk to Pat about it.
Good job. Good job.
Alright, right now I'm going to try to, or attempt to, put in the new seats using the brackets from my current seats. Because, oh shit, I'm not trying to spend $160 on the Sparko brackets. $160 each for both seats. So let's try to make it work. Hopefully it works.
Liberal call me OG, my family know I'm solid. Get stressed whenever I leave, I make another problem.